This is Seth with Stormhawk Roofing. We're here today at 4484 Galway Drive in Winterville, North Carolina. We're here today to do a repair test. The shingle we will be doing the repair on, as you can see, has granule loss increasing. It is also unsealed. I want to show you guys the top two shingles first. That way you can see that there's no granule loss. When we do this repair, that is what we're going to be looking for, is creasing and granule loss along that top line, which will show us that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage, and therefore it is unrepairable. Let's get this set up. All right. And next thing, we'll be using our roof snake, and let's begin. All right. A little bit further. If only this thing was a little bit longer, man. This is my favorite part. All right. So, first thing I want to show you is during our attempt to repair, it tore and cracked the shingle above it. And that, we did it over here as well using the roof snake. And then you can actually see the granule loss increasing around here. We got some along this end too, right here. As you can see, the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. Therefore, the roof is unrepairable. Thank you. Have a blessed day.